I bet I can pop all of these before you can like, follow, and share, and you better not pause the video because that's 100% cheating. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Who won?
How to make this fidget vending machine. First, get a cardboard box and pencil and outline your design. Once you've outlined everything, start coloring it in. Once you've colored everything, cut out the bottom. Next, trace a toilet paper roll in the middle and cut it out. Now, cut out the coin slot. Cut this piece off the top for later. After the front's done, turn it around. Now we're going to connect this toilet paper roll with this by cutting 2 short pieces and sliding this in. Then with this, you're going to slide it into the hole. Now use any container and tape it under the coin slot. And now turn it around and add some finishing touches. Now all you need to do is turn it around, put a fidget on, and it's ready.
I bet I can pop all of this before you can like, follow, and share, starting in 3, 2, wait, move more this way. More, just a little more. That's better. 3, 2, 1. Who won?
You can pop all of these before you can like, follow, and share, starting in 3, 2, 1.
Who won?
All of these before you can like, follow, and share, and you better not pause the video because that's 100% cheating. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Who won?
Why are you making ads? It's doing the same thing.
Yours has some pop. Mine's better.
Because you don't pop it. You don't pop it. You don't pop it. You don't pop it. Why are you making ads? It's the same
Yours has
thing.
more pop.
That's fair. It's literally the same
Add.
thing.
Mine's better. Add.
It's literally the same thing.
Yours has more pop. Mine's way better than yours.
No, I'm not gonna click.
Both of my sides are good.
No. How many?
Shit. Add. One more. One more. Eat that.
Simple Jimbo. Pop it. Добавляй. Забирай.
Let's make a pop it ice pop. When I was little, I used to always just freeze soda in like a cup with like a spoon, and I called it an ice pop. So we're gonna try that today. I have Nerds, and then I have a matching color pop it, and I'm just gonna like pour these right into all the little holes. All right, this is the best it's gonna get, and now I'm just gonna pour the Sprite right on top. I really hope these things don't float. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. I really should have put this on a plate first because I have no idea how I'm going to move it, but I'm going to put it in the freezer now. I'm back the next day, and it is done and completely frozen. Let's peel it out. Oh. This is what it looks like, and let's try it. It's so cold. It's actually really good. It literally just tastes like Nerds and Sprite, but it's fun.